Welcome back to our channel. Question 13 is you to think about it for a long time because it's the elimination games. Okay, first of all, you have to make decision whether it is a X chromosome, Y chromosome, or autosome, right? You have to eliminate two of them, and then you have to think about maybe recessive and dominant have you a little bit. Okay, whether this affected is recessive or dominant. So first, look at this one. Okay. Two healthy and affected parents have an offspring of affected. So obviously the gene is affected gene is recessive or dominant. Yes, recessive. Yeah, it has to be recessive, right? Good. So we solve one of them, okay? Next one, XY chromosome and autosome. Recessive. Look at here, which is Y chromosome. Then the daddy, the boy, but it's inherit the Y chromosome from daddy, right? If it is caused by the Y chromosome, then if the boy has the disease, then affected, and then daddy must be affected, right? Just one Y chromosome, right? So not Y. Good. Next one, X or autosome. It's easier to eliminate X. Okay, look at any counter example for an X chromosome case. Here, mother is not affected, but the daughter is affected. So if it is XX, okay, remember it is recessive. Okay, it must inherit one from mother and one from father only. Okay, but the father is not affected, so it must be not affected gene. Okay, so not affected gene here must be not affected, right? Because not affected one is dominant, so not X. We did it. It's hard to prove that it is autosome. Okay, but by this method of elimination, you find out some cases that XY auto are impossible, dominant no, recessive, so we got it. The result is D. You got it? Method of elimination is important. Okay, see you next question. Bye. I forgot, sorry. I forgot the diagram. I just say to you, hooray!